We are going to re-register you all again.
Riathana ria President Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta muthenya wa ira riraumanire na gicanjama kiria kirigite kuhanika guku Nairobi na kuria mutumia umwe arutirwo nguo muthenya barigici ni Atwarithia a nduthi na Ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini ndina mairiria kuheana mitaratara mieru na riu Atwarithia a nduthi mari na thiku 60 kwiyandikithia weru.
From 21st of this month, this good man is going to post 52 registration centers across the country. In every one of our 52 huduma centers in the country, we'll begin the process of registering boda riders. You go there and be registered. You'll fill a form, you'll be registered, and after you have been registered, you'll be given a smart rider's license. And we will do this exercise for 60 days consistently.
Murugamo uyu uheanirwo hindi ya mucemanio wa arugamiriri boda na mafitha a thirikari matongoretio ni Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Dr Fred Matiang'i na niguo gukinyaniria undu uyu thirikari yugite ni yeheria marihi ma ciringi 5,800 iria cirabataranagia mundu kwiyandikithia.
We want all boda riders and particularly operators, boda operators, to be organized in circles, the way the matatu owners are in circles. They already exist in many parts of the country. It's a question of just them coming and registering with you.
Atwarithia a nduthi mongererekete kuuma milioni 1.7 mwaka wa 2018 nginya riu mari milioni 2.8 thirikari yugite ndigucoka na thutha kweheria aria marenda gucambicura sector ino.
This sector holds a great promise for our country and for our youth, creating employment, making sure that our young people are able to grow.
You help us remove all the criminals because we know you have the power and the capacity to do that.
Tufanye kazi pamoja to make sure that those who are bad elements among us, they are out, and you support the operation.
Na riri bururi urorete githurano-ini kinene kia mweri wa kanana ateti amwe makoretwo makihuthira atwarithia a nduthi kuhura uteti magietha urumiriri wao na Matiang'i augite ona mitaratara iria yagathikitwo ni thirikari miaka iri mihituku ikoretwo ikihingicwo ni ateti aya.
The cheap populism that has been using boda as the core basis of mobilization for politics is what is destroying this sector. And when we are going after these wrong people, the first thing they say, oh, hawa wanaonewa. And it has now created a strange culture of impunity.
Wale wanataka kupiga siasa, wapige siasa. Sisi tunajua tunalinda maisha na mali.
Bisha ya gicanjama kiu yanjiriirie guthiururuka nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria muthenya umwe tu mbere ya muthi wa atumia thiini wa thi na thiku nini tu thutha wa gutirihwo gwa kigomano kinene kia ruhonge rwa urumwe wa kimabũrũri kigie maria maturigicĩirie na Matiang'i augite ni mbica irehete giconoko kinene thiini wa thi na no ingate aigithia guku bũrũri-ini.
We destroy that reputation because a culture is being planted around of impunity and resistance as a way of making around life. We have to fight this thing and refuse it completely.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngũnjiri.